Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to teach you how to use the wrap command. It's very amazing and fun command. So let's get started. In the front plane I am drawing one circle of 84 or 90 mm, and I'm extruding this up to OK. Now if you want to write your name, it will be linear, right? If you want to the extrude or so that will take much time. You write your name and extrude and cut, so many operations you will do, right, for refining that. But what if you got only one feature to do that, right? So what you can do, you can just take one plane which is something far away from mid, and you can write anything. Or let's say I'm creating one circle. Okay, let's create one slot over here, and here slot. Okay, now as you can see, okay, I have to move this sketch because it is going beyond that. So yeah, this slot is better. Also you can write the name if you want to do. I'm writing one, this should be construction, and go to the A. Let's say I'm doing Bhavik Joshi from enter DP Design. Okay, bold. As you can see, my name is there. Oh yeah, Bhavik, perfect. Now you can increase your font. Oh, oops. Font, and go to the 4 mm. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, as you can see, if you want to wrap on this, so what you can do, you can just exit the sketch and go to the wrap command and select the sketch, right? And on whatever surface you want to wrap, let's say this one, so it will wrap on that. Okay, so I'm not selecting any deboss or emboss for right now, but you can do that. So yeah, okay, and yes, as you can see, my surface has been splitted now. So you can apply any appearance or any operation on that. Now if you want to extrude, right, so in the extrude command, if you extrude, what should you have to do? You will extrude this and going to this sketch and cutting through all, right? So instead of that, you can just edit the wrap command and go to the emboss feature. How much extrude you want? Let's say 5 mm I want. So if I go to the 5 mm, it will create like this. You can see it will follow the circle, right? So it has been created, Bhavik Joshi from DP Design. Okay, so if you want to deboss, right, these are some wrap method is there, right? Spline surface also there, so you can just explore that. And if I want to deboss, so what it will do, it will extrude cut from that surface, from that part, right? So this is how you can create the wrap command, and you can explore by your own and create beautiful design by it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning.